The ear is a complex organ that allows us to hear and perceive sound. It's made up of three main parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear is made up of the pinna, or the visible part of the ear, and the ear canal. The pinna is the cartilage and skin made up of the visible part of the ear, and it helps to channel sound waves into the ear canal. The ear canal is a narrow tube that leads to the middle ear. The middle ear contains the eardrum, a thin membrane that vibrates when sound waves hit it. Behind the eardrum are three small bones called the ossicles: the malleus, the incus, and stapes. These bones help amplify the vibrations of the eardrum and transmit them to the inner ear. The inner ear is made up of the cochlea and the vestibular system. The cochlea is a snail-shaped structure that contains tiny hair cells that convert the vibrations of the ossicles into electrical signals. These signals are sent to the brain, which interprets them as sound. The vestibular system is made up of the vestibule and the semicircular canals. The vestibule is a small fluid-filled structure that helps us to maintain our balance. The semicircular canals are the three tubes that contain fluid and hair cells to help us sense any changes in head movement. These parts of the ear work together to allow us to hear and perceive sound. The outer ear collects sound waves and channels them into the ear canal, where they hit the eardrum and cause it to vibrate. These vibrations are then amplified by the ossicles and transmitted to the inner ear, where they're converted into electrical signals and sent to the brain. The ear is an amazing organ that allows us to hear and experience the world around us.